Have you been looking for retro mascot illustrations? They look like this. Maybe you've seen them before. They were used a lot in advertisements and logo designs during the mid-century, and you might not commonly see them too often in today's time. And what's worse is they can be hard to come by. Maybe you're looking for a vector pack online and you can't find the right ones, or you have to be a master illustrator in something like Procreate or some other design tool where you can draw those mascots. But I've got great news for you. It's no problem, because in Kittl we have amazing retro mascots just like this. I'm going to show you where to find them. But hey, if you don't have Kittl yet, that's also no problem. Go ahead and sign up to use it for free using the link down in the description, and then you can follow along and find where to use them. Okay, so here in Kittl, all we have to do is go over to Elements and Illustrations right here, and then we can just keep scrolling down through all of these different categories to find one that is called Mascots. And if I hit Show All here, I can even expand this right here and show you all of the different mascots that we have in a variety of ways, from super cool retro matchbox to a bottle walking to a pizza slice. And I'll just click a couple of these to add them. I'll add this basketball right here. I'll add, let's see, what else can we, let's add this donut right here. And then let me get rid of this. I can move them around, and you can see over here in the right, they're fully customizable as well. So if I want this icing to be a different color, maybe I want it to be like lighter or something like that, I have the ability to change it easily. Maybe I want the icing white like that with the purple sprinkles, or with the pizza here, maybe I don't want it as maybe I don't want it quite as yellow. Maybe I want the cheese to be more of an orange tint. Boom, I can move that like that, and it's super easy. That's all you have to do to find super high quality vector mascot illustrations, even like little hands right here that you can use in so many different components right here in Kittl without having to search anywhere else. And so here I am on the home page of Kittl, but if I just type in mascot, click enter, then everything that's using those mascots, even some of these gamer tag things, are coming up. So you can see like the heart and the sunshine, the coffee cup, the money, the pizza there that we were editing earlier. And these are fully customizable. All you have to do is click on one. You can click use this design, and you can start editing your text and everything like that. So I hope you have a ton of fun using these retro style mascot illustrations. Now, if you are all about the retro scene and you want to see other retro tutorials, check out these videos here on my right. I know you are going to love those. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean a ton, and that way you don't miss anything. Until next time, create magic.